Hello, Speedman RC here, and this is the first time I've actually remembered my GoPro, mounted it on my head, and used it during a local action pistol, kind of IPSC, well, it fits our indoor range. So, I was using the M&P today, the Blade Tech holster set, and regular Winchester white box ammo. I did not use my reloads. I haven't been keeping up on it. I've had other stuff going on. So, and I also forgot to record the first stage. This is the second and third. First is always the one half, then the second's the other half, and then the third is the whole thing. So it doesn't take too long, but sure is fun. Thanks for watching.
Understand the course of fire?
Yes.
If so, make ready. Shooter ready?
You shot that clean?
Yes.
Stand by.
Holy shit. Bullets. You're like a sensei.
If done, unload, show clear. Slide down, hammer down, holster. Understand the course of fire?
Yep.
Make ready. Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Done, unload, show clear. Slide down, hammer down, holster.